Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Max CPU. We'll dive straight into practical steps to ensure your processor is always delivering its absolute best. Whether you're a gamer seeking smoother frame rates, a content creator needing faster renders, or a professional running intensive simulations, unlocking your CPU's full power is crucial. We'll cover essential techniques to push your system to its limits, ensuring every core and thread is utilized efficiently for maximum output. To effectively maximize your CPU, first, you need to know what's currently using it. Open your operating system's Task Manager on Windows or Activity Monitor on Mac OS. Look at the Processes or CPU tab to see a detailed breakdown. Identify any applications or background tasks that are unnecessarily hogging resources. Closing these can immediately free up significant processing power, often by as much as 20 to 30%, making a noticeable difference in overall system responsiveness. Next, let's optimize your system settings. On Windows, navigate to Power Options and select the High Performance plan. This ensures your CPU isn't artificially limited. Review your startup programs and disable any non-essential applications that launch automatically, as these consume valuable resources from the moment you boot up. Additionally, regularly updating your operating system and device drivers, especially for your chipset, can provide performance boosts and stability improvements, sometimes by 5 to 10%. For those seeking the absolute maximum, advanced tuning is key. If your CPU and motherboard support it, carefully consider overclocking. This can yield a performance increase of 10 to 20%, but requires proper cooling. Invest in a robust cooling solution, like an all-in-one liquid cooler, to manage the increased heat. Also, regularly clean your computer's interior to ensure optimal airflow. Dust buildup can severely impede cooling, causing your CPU to throttle down and lose precious performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.